Good morning, middle 2. Today we will complete the intervals. Open booklet page 20. Booklet page 20. Exercise 3. Intervals. Booklet page 20. Exercise 3. Write down the following sets in form of intervals. Okay. Then represent on the number line. Represent them on the number line. I have a x equal x such as x bigger than or equal 3, where x belong to the real numbers. X belong to R. If I want to write this set in the form of intervals, as we took, we must write the smallest number at first. We must write the smallest number at first. X bigger than 3. Bigger than 3. So here the smallest number, it will be 3. And infinity, bigger than 3. Okay? It's 3 with me because x bigger than or equal 3 is 3 with me, so it will be closed. And infinity will be opened. I can represent this interval on the number line. I will write here 3, here infinity, is 3 closed, and all the real numbers with me. Okay? And remember that infinity greater than any greatest real numbers that can be imagined. Okay? B. I have x equal x such as x smaller than or equal cubic root negative 8, where x belong to R. Okay? Cubic root negative 8 equal negative 2. Okay? Equal negative 2. So x smaller than or equal negative 2. Smaller than negative 2. Smaller than negative 2. It will go to what? To negative infinity. So we must write the smallest number at first. So I will write negative infinity. Then you will write cubic root negative 8, which is equal negative 2. You will write here negative 2. Okay? Negative 2. In negative 2 with me, because here you have or equal. X smaller than or equal. So negative 2 closed and negative infinity opened. I will represent on the number line. We have here negative infinity, here negative 2, negative 2 closed. Then all the real numbers which are greater than, which are smaller than negative 2. Smaller than negative 2. Okay? C. X equal x such as x belong to R, where x is smaller than or equal 5, bigger than 2. Okay? X such as x belong to R, where x is smaller than 5 or equal 5 and bigger than 2. I will write the smallest number at first. It 2, x bigger than 2, so it's not with me. L5 with me. X smaller than or equal 5. Okay? I can represent it on the number line. I have here 2 and here 5. It 2 opened, L5 closed, and all the real numbers which included between them. Okay? Turn the page, booklet page 21. Booklet page 21. Booklet page 21. Write down each of the following intervals using the description method, then represent them on the number line. I have a closed 3, infinity opened. I won't write it in the form of the description method. I will write x equal x such as x, okay, will be here bigger than 3 because it's infinity. It will be bigger than 3, and 3 with me because here closed. X bigger than or equal 3, where x belong to R. Okay, we wrote in the form of description method. Again, I will look x here, it will be bigger than 3 because I have here infinity bigger than 3, and 3 it will be with me, and we must put here or equal because it's 3 with me. Okay, so x bigger than or equal 3, and x, where x belong to r. I can represent on the number line. I have here 3 and here infinity. 3 closed because it's with me, and all the real numbers which are greater than 3. Okay, B, negative infinity, and here 3 closed. Okay, I want to write it in the form of description. So x equal x such as x. Okay, negative infinity, so x it will be here smaller than 3, and here 3 closed it will be or equal 3. Okay, where x belong to the real numbers. We can represent this interval on the number line. I have here negative infinity, and here 3 closed, and all the real numbers which are smaller than 3. Okay, C, opened 3 and 5 opened. I won't write it in the form of interval, so x equal x such as x belong to the real numbers where x is smaller than 5 and bigger than 3, because here 5 opened and 3 opened, so x smaller than 5 and bigger than 3. We can represent it on the number line. I have here 3 and here 5. 3 opened, 5 opened, and all the real numbers which included between them with me. Okay, you have homework, booklet, page 20 D. Okay, booklet page 20 D, and booklet page 21 D and E. Thank you.